It's the BILLYBO Show. It's the BILLYBO Show.
Hey everybody, welcome to the BILLYBO farm. Shall we take a look around? Come on, let's go take a look inside the house. This is our kitchen area, where we cook and eat our food. This here is our stove. Best not to touch it cause it can be very hot. This is our living room where we watch the BILLYBO show on our TV. Come and see my favorite part of the farm, my workshop. Look here, there's some old tractor tires. This is my yellow pickup truck. It's called Bumblebee. Here's all my tools I use to fix things around the farm. Right here is my workbench. And that's a poster of my favorite tractor. I'll show you that later. This is my quad. I use this almost every day to do jobs around the farm like travel to find a lost sheep or to go and get the tractors. And this is our little herb garden. It's growing tomatoes and the herb, mint. Check out our scarecrow. We made him to scare the birds away so they wouldn't eat our plants. Look, you can see the mint starting to grow. Let's check out what's in this shed. Can you remember the tractor from the poster in the garage? Yes, that's it. This is the tractor from the poster. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, let's go check on the cows. Oh no, Betsy's on the floor of the barn. Are you okay, girl? How are you feeling? Oh wow, Betsy must be feeling better if she stood up. Yay! Let's go see all the other cows. Cows as far as the eyes can see. Hee hee! Oh, look at Daisy sunbathing. Hey Daisy, how's the sunbathing going? Hee hee. Oh wow, a hot air balloon in the sky. Whoa, Betsy, you can't go out there. Quick, let's shut the gate so she doesn't escape. Let's see the pigs and see if there's any piglets yet. Oh no, I don't see any. Do you? This is the oldest truck on the farm. It was my granddad's. I love how neat he's kept it. Talking of old things on the farm, do you want to see the oldest barn on the farm? This barn here, my granddad built it when he first bought the farm. It's really old. Let's go to the equipment shed. I'll show you some tools what help us create and plant fields. This here is a plow. A plow is used to get the field ready for seeding. See its long teeth. This is a seeder. A seeder is used to plant seeds in the fields after you've plowed it. See those black pipes? That's what seeds come out of. There's millions, hee hee. Don't mind all this here. It's what we're going to use to make another barn soon. This here is my granddad's tractor. It runs just as good now as it did back when he bought it. The life this tractor's lived. Wow! This pink beauty is my tractor. It's brand new, never been in the fields. Oh, let's check on the sheep. That's strange. There's no sheep in the barn. They all must be in the pasture. Hey, Miss Sheep, are you enjoying the sun? Hee hee. I think she came to say hello to us all. Well, this is the end of the farm tour. I hope you all liked and learned a little bit from it. Bye. Be sure to come back and visit again. Bye, bye, bye.